Gates open, they're up and racing, Mesmerize. As expected, draws for your lead, moving up on the outside, Reclamador, Summer Rain, Moonraker down on the inside, Dagger Luke also in there and on the outside, moving up, East Janico, Wadabong running second last, and Simply Strong is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 800. Now we have Dagger Luke takes the lead from the outside. Mesmerize drops back in second. Moonraker is by the rail third and on the outside. Moving up is Janico as they turn towards the last 600. This time we have Dagger Luke by about 3 lengths, followed by Mesmerize by the rail. Janie Cole moving up on the outside to take second and running in fourth, Moonraker, followed by Summer Rain, Simply Strong, and Reclamador second last, and a long way back to Wadabong as they turn for home. Dagger Luke wide at the corner, running in second still is Janie Cole. Moonraker is by the rail third with the last 200 meters more to run. Dagger Luke this time by about 4 lengths over Jay Nicole in second, Moonraker. And finally at the finish line, it's Dagger Luke winning this race by about 4 over Jay Nicole. Moonraker, Simply Strong took fourth. Then comes Summer Rain, Reclamador, Mesmerize, and Wadabong comes in.